Good morning, student. This is a science class, class 10. We have to take chapter number 4, carbon and its compound. Today's our topic is nomenclature of organic compound. So, in our previous classes, we have to discuss about carbon and its compound. You know that carbon is known as a unique element due to its properties of 4-valency or tetravalency and the property of catenation. It means that it forms a long chain compound. So due to this property, carbon is known as a unique element. Now, carbon compounds are enormous in number. Why? Because it forms chain compound. So many of chain compounds are formed. So they have lot of organic compound, formation of organic compound responsible to formation of long chain organic compound. Now in this lecture we have discussed about nomenclature of organic compound. So many of organic compounds are there. So nomenclature is the most important work. First one is we have to name of organic compound on the basis of the carbon chain. So number of carbon present in the carbon chain we use as a prefix, and its functional group we have to use as a suffix. For example, there are CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the 4 carbon chain. You know that the 4 carbon chain is known as bute. So the number of carbon chain we have to write as a prefix, and the functional group. So it has only a single carbon bond. So single carbon bond compound is known as saturated hydrocarbon or alkane. So we have to write the name of functional group as a suffix. So the name of this carbon compound is butane. So butane is the name of this organic compound. Why? Because it has 4 carbon, and 4 carbon is known as bute. So bute is the prefix, write as a prefix, and functional group alkane. So N of alkane is write as a suffix. So the name of this organic compound is butane. In another way, there are some rules which we can follow the naming of organic compound. We have to discuss these rules one by one. First one, identify the number of carbon atom in the compound, and compound having 3 carbon atom would have the name propane. So this is the first rule of the naming of organic compound, that we can find the number of carbon chain. How many carbon atoms are present in the carbon compound? Then we can write the number of carbon present in the chain. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon are present here. So the number of 4 carbon is known as bute. Now single carbon bond, single carbon covalent bond are present in them, and is known as alkane group. So we have to write name. So name of the carbon compound is butane. It is the first rule. Now second one, in case of functional group is present, it is indicated in the name of the compound with either a prefix or a suffix as given in table 4.5 4. So you can see this table at page number 68. Here a table is given that there is a many functional groups such as haloalkane, alcohol, aldehyde, ketones, carboxylic acid, alkenes and alkynes, and their prefix or suffix name such as ol, al, on, oic, in and ein. So we have to write as a suffix, functional group write as a suffix, and number of carbon atom chain write as a prefix. Now this is the second law. So first law, we have to calculate the number of carbon atom in the chain, and second one is the functional group. So first one we have to write the number of carbon present in the chain, and next one we have to write the functional group as a suffix. We have to write suffix of some functional group such as chlorine, iodine. Write as a hello. Write as a hello. So hello word we have to write as a prefix. For example, this is the carbon compound. So it is the number of carbon atom in the chain, and this is the functional group. So chlorine as a functional group. Now we can write chlorine as a prefix and number of carbon atom as a suffix in this case. So we have to write name of this organic compound as chloromethane. Chloromethane. So halo means chloro, bromo and iodo. These functional group write as a halo in prefix. Okay. Next functional group is ol. Alcohol group we have to write ol as a suffix. As a suffix. Next one is CHO, aldehyde group. We have to write al. So the suffix of aldehyde group is al, is alcohol, ol. Next one is ketone. We have to write on. The word suffix which we have to write in the functional group ketone is on. Next one is carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid. If functional group is carboxylic acid, then we have to write suffix oic acid. So only one group, halogen, write as a prefix, while another group write as a suffix in the organic compound. So this is the second rule. Now third rule is if the name of functional group is given as a suffix and the suffix of the functional group begins with vowel A, E, I, O, U, then the name of the carbon chain is modified, deleting the final E and adding the appropriate suffix. For example, 3 carbon chain is known as propane. So we have to remove E from the propane and write the functional group on. So name is propanone. So the E of the carbon chain is removed, and we have to write the functional group name as a suffix. So it is the third rule. Next one, if the carbon chain unsaturated means alkene or alkyne, then N in the name of carbon chain is substituted by ene or ine. Suppose 3 carbon chain, so 3 carbon chain is known as propane, but if it have in double bond, so propane becomes to propene, and if it had triple bond, then propane becomes to propine. Okay. Next rule of the organic compound nomenclature, we have to write some example and write the name of the following compound, so you can see them. This thing is the best or necessary thing. You have no alcohol represented as a mol, aldehyde represented as an al, ketone represented as on, and carboxylic acid represented in oic acid. This is the main thing which you know, the suffix of the functional group. Now we have to write some formula. Ketone, write as a CHO. Ketone is C double bond O, and carboxylic acid is COOH. COOH. So these are the formula of this functional group. Now we have write some example and name them as a rule of the organic compound. So we can write here some formulas of organic compound. Let's see. We can write some formula. Alcohol, aldehyde, ketone, carboxylic acid, alkene and alkyne. So here first one is CH3, CH2, 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 CH. Next one is CH3, CH2, 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 OH. The first carbon compound, this is second carbon compound. Now third carbon compound, CH3, CH2, CO, CH3. Fourth one is CH3, CH2, CH2, CHO, and fifth one is CH3, CH2, CH2, COOH. So these are the examples of some organic compound. Now next one is CH3, CH, CH2, CH3, C, triple bond C, CH3. So these are the example of some organic compound. Now we can write the name of organic compound with the help of rules that you know. First to all, we have calculated the number of carbon atom present in the organic compound. Let's see. Here number of count the number of carbon atom. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 carbon atoms present in the carbon compound. So the functional group is chlorine. It means yellow group. So yellow group write as a prefix or suffix. You know that on the yellow group write as a prefix. So name of this organic compound is chloro. How many carbon? 4 carbon. So chlorobutane. Chlorobutane is the IUPAC name of this organic compound because it has 4 carbon atom in this chain and functional group is a chlorine which belong the halo group. So name of the organic compound is chlorobutane. Halo group write as a suffix as a prefix in the group. So another 1, 2, 3, 4. There are also 4 carbon atoms present in the series and functional group is alcohol. Then name of the compound is butanol. Butanol. E of the alkane is replaced the functional group mol. So name of the organic compound is butanol. Now next one is 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon are there. So name of the organic compound is ketone group are present there. So name is butanone. Butanone. One suffix are here in the all. So name is butanone. Name of the organic compound is butanone. Now here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon are present and function group is CHO. So name is butanol. Null. So E of alkane removed from the functional group null. So name of the organic compound is butanol. Now next one is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon compound and functional group as a carboxylic acid. So name of the compound is butanoic. E of the butane is replaced from the oic acid group. So name of the organic compound is butanoic acid. It has 4 carbon compound and functional group as a oic acid. So name of the organic compound is butanoic acid. Now let's see here. There are 3 carbon present in the series and carbon double bond is present. Then E of alkane is replaced from the E group. So 1, 2, 3 carbon atom is known as propene. And replaced by the group E. So propene is the name of the organic compound which has carbon double bond. Now next one is 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon are there. So name of 4 carbon compound is but, and in E of the group is replaced by the ion. So butane. Butane is the name of the organic compound. So these are the some rules to give the naming of organic compound. So it is the naming of organic compound which is over here. Now our next topic of this chapter, carbon and its compound. Here some question answers also. Naming of some compound are given. So you give the name of these organic compound with the help of these rules. So it is your homework. Now we have discussed some chemical properties of carbon compounds. So our next topic is chemical properties of organic compound. Our next topic is some chemical properties of organic compound. So our next topic is chemical properties of organic compound. Yes. Organic compound also shows some chemical properties, like first one is combustion. It means that if organic compound burn in presence of oxygen, then they give up heat and light. So such property is known as combustion. Next one is oxidation. Oxidation is the another property of organic compound. When organic compound are oxidized or in presence of oxygen, it becomes converted into the acid. For example, ethanol oxidized and it becomes converted into acid. Next one is addition reaction. In addition reaction, lower hydrocarbon combine together to form a higher hydrocarbon. Such property is known as addition reaction. Next one is substitution. In substitution reaction, the substitution of halogen, the hydrogen of the hydrocarbon is replaced from the halogen in presence of sunlight. So such type of reaction is the example of substitution reaction. The most common example is halogenation. It means halogen replaced hydrogen from hydrocarbon in presence of sunlight. So such type of reaction is the example of substitution reaction. Now we have to discuss these properties, these chemical properties of carbon compound one by one. Our first chemical property is combustion. So let's see. This is the first chemical property of organic compound is combustion. Combustion is the process in which organic compound are burned in presence of oxygen to give heat and light. Such type of chemical reaction are the example of combustion. The respiration is also the example of slow combustion. Here we take some example of the combustion. First one is what happened when carbon react with oxygen. So carbon react with oxygen to give carbon dioxide plus heat and light are also produced. So this is the example of combustion. So it is the first example of combustion when carbon react with oxygen, then it gives carbon dioxide and heat and light are also produced in this reaction. So it is the example of combustion. Next one is when methane react with oxygen. Next reaction of combustion is when methane react with oxygen to give carbon dioxide plus water. Here is also heat and light are produced. So methane oxidized to give carbon dioxide and water. This is the another example of the combustion reaction. Now next one is when ethanol are oxidized. When ethanol oxygen, it also gives carbon dioxide and water, and heat and light are produced in this reaction. So this is another example of combustion reaction. 2, whereas the reaction 3 to 5, 6, 4, 3 to 6. Now oxygen is 2 into 3, where 2 to the 4 and 3 7. CH3 CH2 OH, CH3 CH2 OH, CO2 plus H2O. 1, 2, 2 oxygen atom, 3 and 5 and 6. 3 to the 6 hydrogen atoms. 3 to the 6 and 1, 7. 2 to the 4 and 3, 7. Yes. Here we can write 3 also. Now this is the balanced chemical reaction. Number of atom in left hand side is always equal to the number of atom in right hand side. So these three equation or chemical reaction are the example of combustion. So you know that very well, combustion is the reaction in which organic compound react with oxygen to give heat and light. So such type of reaction is the example of combustion reaction. Now our next topic of this chapter, formation of coal and petroleum. You know that coal and petroleum are known as fossil fuel. It formed by the process of pressure million year ago. Plants and animals that buried under the ground and put on the pressure, and million of year then it becomes converted into kerosene and petroleum. The fossils of plant convert into the coal, and the fossils of animal convert into the petrol. So these are known as fossil fuel. Next one is oxidation. In oxidation, alcohol convert into the acid. So oxidation is the process in which oxygen is added or hydrogen is removed in the reaction. So such type of process is known as oxidation. Next chemical property of organic compound is oxidation. So next one is oxidation. So oxidation is the process in which oxygen is added or hydrogen is removed from a compound. So such type of reaction is the example of oxidation. For example, when ethanol is oxidized, then it gives CH3 COOH. It means hydrogen are removed from the reaction. Let's see, this hydrogen react with one oxygen to form water, and oxygen is added here. So CH3COH group is formed. So after oxidation of alcohol, acid is formed. So this is the example of oxidation. Now next one is addition reaction. Next one is third one, addition reaction. In addition reaction, lower hydrocarbon combine together to form a large hydrocarbon, or in this reaction addition of hydrogen on double bond. So when addition of hydrogen on double bond are alkene, then alkane will be formed. So such type of reaction is the example of addition reaction. In this process, nickel work as a catalyst. So CH2, CH3, CH2, double bond, CH double bond, CH2. This is the formula of 3-carbon compound propene. What happens when hydrogen is added here? Then this double bond converted into the single bond, and these two hydrogen are added here, and single bond compound or propane or alkane is formed. So such type of reaction where addition on double bond take place, then alkane is formed. So it is the example of addition reaction. So we have discussed 3 type of reaction here. First one is combustion, second one is oxidation, and third one is addition reaction. Now next one is substitution. Next one is substitution reaction.